What's going on, everyone? Today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. It's kind of like a TechBlock vlog, but it's mainly just like a compilation of a bunch of random fails and bloopers, but also some maybe useful information. I ended up cleaning my keyboard, the Razer Huntsman Elite, which is sitting right there. I still need to clean a couple more keys and put them all back together into the actual keyboard, of course, but I'm gonna have a commentary in this video going over what I did to clean the keyboard. So maybe you can clean your keyboard as well, as we're all just sitting at home anyway, so you may as well just like clean your mechanical keyboard for once, because this is the first time I actually cleaned mine, the Razer Huntsman Elite there. I had never cleaned it before. It was definitely a little bit on the dirty side, but wasn't too bad, to be honest. Like, I try to wipe down the keyboard every now and again with like some disinfectant wipes anyway, so the keyboard never really got dirty in any way. It was mainly just like some crumbs and, you know, little bits of dust in between the keys that I had to get rid of. As this video is a little bit all over the place, I'm gonna have timestamps in the description and in a pinned comment as well, so you can quickly skip ahead and watch whatever you want to watch. Apart from all that though, let's kick this video off with a bunch of fails with my PC. Counter-Strike kept crashing and it really did annoy me. Roll the footage. Though I feel like, yeah, after I've dropped my sensitivity to 600 and in-game sense to just 1, I feel like it might actually be a bit too low now. And what just happened? What's going on? Is it just CS that's having problems here? This has not happened in a while. Counter-Strike has crashed. Why you do this to me? I'm gonna up the sensitivity to 700. Feel like that's gonna be a little bit of a more optimal DPI for me. 600 seems too low, man. I can't like pick my mouse up 40 times a second. I've somehow headshotted him with a no-scope. I was aiming for the other guy. I've not been playing a lot of Counter-Strike recently, so my aim's a little rusty. I'm just getting slaughtered here. I can't win a single gunfight. This has not been an enjoyable deathmatch, I'll tell you that. I swear that my game froze again. I don't think I can even tab back in anymore. Help! Dude, I can't play CS, what is this? How am I meant to test my keyboards and my mice? What do you mean? I just want to play some deathmatch, man. Why would you do this, CS? 2 times Counter-Strike has crashed on me now. What do I do? If it crashes one more time, I guess we can't make a montage? I can't even stay in the game long enough to get a few kills. At least the RGB on this keyboard's pretty mad, eh? Come on, I need to focus here. There's some sick kills and the game has ended. Bruh, what a sick deathmatch. That lasted about 2 seconds. Ooh. Oh, my sensitivity might be a little too low still. Ooh. My aim is not on point this morning. Oh, dude, I swear down, CS has crashed again. Nah, man, why? Bruh, it's not only CS, my whole PC freezes. What the hell? Engine error. It gave me an engine error within CSGO. Okay, maybe my CSGO is corrupted. Can't be Wi-Fi, like I ain't lagging. Everything's stable, even on 4G, man. I was playing on 4G, we had good ping, it was nice for once. Verify integrity of game files. I need to do all this. Clearly I've got some corrupted files somewhere if the game crashes after 2 minutes of playing it. 2 files fail to validate. 2 files causing all of this. Now it's like reinstalling CS. At least, you know, hopefully no more problems, right? Fingers crossed. All right, CSGO, deathmatch. Please don't crash this time. Oh, I swear, mate. Oh, I thought I could one-tap him as well. It happened again. I thought I fixed this. I'm gonna restart the PC.
1 eternity later.
Will it crash the 4th time? I'm giving up if it crashes after I restart it. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. I can't play CSGO anymore. We're in a game again. What the hell? Ooh, I dinked him. I swear down I dinked him. Hey, we are on fire here. And we're dead. This has been a way better start. We're doing 8-3. The game's not crashed yet, but we only got about, you know, 1 minute per match until it turns off. Only got 8 bullets. That's enough. Ooh. God damn, we're 14 HP already. Oh my god. This game is something else. What are these spawns? It spawned me next to the guy that just shot me. It legit spawned me next to him. That's so stupid. In my opinion, CSGO got to really work on the deathmatch spawns because they're so dumb. How dumb is that spawn though? Like, why would you spawn me right behind the enemy? Sure, it's like good for me, but it's so annoying, bruh. And it happens all the time. Valve need to work on optimizing spawns in deathmatch because this is so dumb still. And then like every other player is AFK. Look, AFK again. It was still number one. I also cut my own hair. I cut my roommate's hair because, you know, quarantine, you can't really go to the barbers, can you? So we just ended up like cutting our own hair and helping each other out with, you know, haircuts and all. Oh, bro. I mean, I don't really care at this point. It's like, I can't see nothing. Is anything? Well, that's a lot of hair.
Did you watch a little 10-minute tutorial on how to cut your own hair?
I watched like 1 or 2 videos. It doesn't help that my eyesight's bad. This is like 9mm. No, I don't like this.
And then quickly watch a video how to do fades. Barbers hate him.
Barbers hate him.
What's so long?
Dude, if I can master this skill, I can save money.
Are you gonna go top of your hair now?
Nah, bro, I ain't touching that.
I thought you were.
I want to be here a while, mate. I don't want to make too many mistakes. This is much harder than I thought. There's hair all over me. I hate this. I mean, this isn't going too bad, is it? Like, I've kind of given myself a haircut here. This is good. I'm happy with it. I did not mess my hair up, I think. Check out the haircut. I don't know how bad or how good this turned out, but for the most part, I mean, I didn't do the top, I only did the sides here, and I'm off in the shower now. Fuck my shit up. Fuck my shit up. Toby's gonna be busy out here later. I think I ran away once from the wall. I think that was during a haircut. As a kid in Lithuania, I legit ran away. Like, they sat me down in like some toy car right before the haircut and I was naked. Like, they fucking turned around and I ran away. I just ran back home. You ain't taking my hair. It was only like a minute or 2 away from my house, you know. Toby, mate! It's time.
That's brilliant. Nice again.
So this next video you're about to watch is from the Razer plus AliXA integration thingy, and for some reason I thought that you could activate the voice assistant by just saying the voice assistant's name. Instead you have to use a keyboard shortcut to actually activate it. It's not like always listening, but I didn't know that. So I kept trying to say the word. On top of that, my microphone was somehow muted the entire time within Windows. Somehow it was still working within OBS, but wasn't working in Windows for some reason. I don't know. I don't know what the hell happened, but enjoy the clip. Just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of context there. So Amazon AliXA is here. It's enabled app sounds display cards. You can even activate it with a keyboard shortcut. So by default, it's set to Control-Shift-A, mic off. Okay, it should work now. Control-Shift-A. What you mean, mic off? You what, mate? Now I do have an Amazon Echo just behind this monitor, so I'm gonna actually mute that. It's not working. Maybe I gotta restart Synapse. Oh, my mic was muted. Now it's gonna work. Was it actually muted? What the hell was I using? Hello? Goddamn. Alright. Okay, I've unmuted my mic. Control-Shift-A. Mic off. What do you mean? What do you mean mic off? Stop this madness. My mic is not off. Hey. Hey, my mic is working fine, mate. What are you playing at? What is this, man? Control-Shift-A. Mic off. God damn it. What could possibly be wrong with... Oh, it's muted. How is it muted? How is my mic muted? In what? Now, this should work with any microphone. Input device, Siren X. That's what we want. Language, United Kingdom. Alexa? Alexa. What? God damn it. Alright, we begin the keyboard cleaning process right here. You see me taking off all the keys, of course, and it was actually like really easy for the most part. I just took them all off by hand. You can use a keycap puller. Razer, I think, do sell one. So, you know, you can use that if you want. I just ripped them all off by hand. It didn't even take too long. Pretty easy job. For some reason, I ended up thinking that the bigger keys on the keyboard were like going to be harder to remove, but no, they were just as easy to remove as all the other ones, really. You see me here going over a lot of the keyboard with a disinfectant wipe. That's kind of what I've used to keep my Razer Huntsman Elite and pretty much any keyboard that I've owned over the years clean. I just use a disinfectant wipe every like couple weeks probably, and I've done that for years. Owning this keyboard and, you know, whatever other keyboards, use a disinfectant wipe. It does a good job. You get rid of any bacteria or whatever. On top of that, you see me going over in between the keys and everything with a cotton bud. So I used a disinfectant wipe, and then I pretty much put the cotton bud in the disinfectant wipe, made it kind of wet, and then I went ahead and went over all the different parts in the keyboard with the cotton bud, of course. This probably isn't the most efficient way to clean your keyboard, but it's just kind of what I did. I mean, we all have cotton buds, we probably all have disinfectant wipes. They're a bit hard to buy nowadays though, because of this freaking pandemic. I've not been able to buy any more disinfectant wipes since I've ran out, and I actually ran out in this video. I was using my final 2 disinfectant wipes to clean my keyboard, and we're all out now. So I need to find a way to buy some more, because they're really good and I've been using them for years. Like, would highly recommend them. But yeah, you see me putting back the whole keyboard together. Super simple cleaning process. Ended up using the same disinfectant wipe that I used for the cotton bud to clean each individual key as well. But then the disinfectant wipe eventually went dry and wasn't really doing a good job at cleaning the keys anymore, and the keyboard's still sitting behind me. I need more disinfectant wipes. Actually, I should probably just like finish cleaning the rest of the keys manually. But yeah, that's been the keyboard. Oh my god, Anyway, that's been the keyboard cleaning video right there, plus a bunch of other fails, bloopers. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these. I'll be sure to save a lot more footage that I guess never makes it to the final cut of a video, and I'll end up putting together another one of these compilations or whatever of random fails, random keyboard cleaning tutorials, all sorts of random stuff here. But yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Hope to see you in another video soon. And by the way, have you seen the TechBlock website? It's so sick, dude. Check it out. Link in the description. If you ever wondered what's in my setup, what chair I'm using, you can get a discount, all that good stuff, all on the website, man. You even pick up some dope RGB culture merch. Alright, I'm gonna get going. Thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe, wash your hands. Alright, bye.